Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tech Flip. And in this episode of Tech Flip, we are going to do the comparison of PUBG Mobile gameplay on this iPad 2018 versus this iPhone 7. We are comparing the display because the display on this iPad is 9.7 inch and the display on this iPhone 7 is 4.7 inch. So people used to call iPad players cheaters from the beginning. It's a controversial thing, so let's compare like what is the difference and to what extent there is a difference between this iPad versus this iPhone 7. So now let's jump into PUBG Mobile and let's see to what extent the controversy is true. Let's go into PUBG Mobile on both devices and both of them are loading. Okay, they're both loaded. Let's go to the setting and let me show you one thing, that is the viewing angle. As you can see in the basic sections, we have first person camera perspective. Over here, as you can see, it is 103, and on this phone it is also, let me show you, it is also 103. So it is the maximum, like this is the maximum you can watch. So let's go for the first match with this training mode, both of them training, third person perspective. Let's see how much difference we have. Oh man, I think we are in the same matches. Are we? Okay, yeah bro, that is me. Okay, alright, on this iPad here, as you can see, both of them are me. Like if I jump over here, you can see me jumping, and you can see me jumping over here too, but look at the difference, like how much difference there is. Okay, let me make the brightness a little bit down. I have only two hands, I cannot. Alright, that is also me, this is also me, and we're playing the same matches, and look how much difference we have. Over here, as you can see, the viewing angle very same, but I can see full of my body on this iPad, but I can see only the half on this iPhone. As you can see, I can only see the half on this iPhone, but it's not a big deal. But over here, as you can see, I can see full of my body, and also the viewing angle is so big. There is a little difference. Let me give you a clear example. Okay, I'm here, you can see this 35 meter to this, I don't know what is the last one, but on this iPad you can clearly count this thing very easily. Alright, let me make the graphics a little better. I don't know why I was playing at that graphics. Where's the 35? Yep, here's the 35, and look at this. This is 35, this is 35, and we can look through back there, it is like 100 meter. We can look at 100 meter very easily, but on this phone, on this iPhone, let's see, 35 we cannot see through 100. As you can see, it is so small, but over there I can see through 100. So it's a very good and very helpful thing while playing PUBG. So if people say that the iPad players are cheater, then yeah, it is true. Like iPad players are not hackers, but they can see a little more than what you can do. So for sniping, this iPad is going to be better because you can see much more than this device. As you can see much more. On this phone you can see this much, but on this iPad you can see much more. As you can see much more on this device. Yep, so there is a clear winner that the iPad has a major advantage while playing PUBG Mobile, because when you are playing PUBG Mobile on iPad, it is going to give you better viewing angle. As far as everything tested, viewing angle is much better. Yep, can you look at the viewing angle? It is much better on the iPad, but on the iPhone it is a little less, but on the iPad it is way too much. And that is me just moving. Okay, let's go for a team deathmatch. Okay, ready, 3 2 1, start on both. On this iPhone I can only see my hip and not more than that, but on this iPad I can see my leg to my head and every single thing on this screen. So there is a major advantage, and that is the difference. Other than that, everything is same. So iPad users, little cheating. Yep, of course a little cheating, because you can see much more with the iPad, but you can see only a little on the iPhone. So yeah, there is a major advantage to the iPad players. Alright, that was the comparison. Goodbye.